The first question posed by the brother, that what are the guidelines regarding choosing a life partner or a spouse in Islam? Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, hadith number 5090, as well as in Sahih Muslim, volume number 4, hadith number 3635. It is a muttafiq alaik. It's a hadith present in Bukhari as well as in Sahih Muslim. It's mentioned, Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that women are chosen in marriage for 4 things: the wealth, the lineage or nobility, beauty, and religion. Choose her for the religion. Here in this hadith, our beloved Prophet says that women in marriage are chosen for 4 things: wealth, lineage, nobility. Third is beauty, and 4th is religion. And the best is religion. That means choose the woman who is religious. Here we come to know that the maximum importance that should be given is to the religion. Because all the earlier 3 criteria which people normally look for in marriage, it is limited and mainly for this dunya. For example, wealth. Wealth is something which can maybe get you some luxury in this world, but may not be beneficial in the akhirah. As the beloved Prophet said, it is more difficult for a rich man to go to Jannah than a poor man. But it's not haram to have wealth, but it is not the major criteria you should look for. The second is lineage. Looking at the lineage, at the family, it's good, but that is not the main. It is mainly for the dunya. You may say, oh, coming from a very good family, from a noble family. The third criteria is beauty, which is again limited only to this world. Beauty is something which you may get tired of in few days or few weeks or a year. The best and everlasting, mainly for the akhirah as well as for the dunya, is religion. It is the deen. And if I was to pay any weightage in choosing, this is my own opinion, that if a boy wants to choose a girl, 90 to 95% should be for the deen, for the religion. Because that will get him akhirah as well as the dunya. Yes, as far as the wealth is concerned, if a boy wants to marry a girl, then what use is the wealth of the girl to that boy? A good boy who has his own self-respect, but naturally would not like to live on the money of the woman, of the wife. So irrespective whether the girl is rich or poor, what difference will it make him? And even if he's going to use, that is only for this dunya. The lineage may or may not help. That will not really count much. The beauty, as I said, is subjective. As long as the wife is not repulsive, so maybe you can give about 3 or 4 points or 3 or 4% weightage to the beauty as long as she's not repulsive. The deen is the maximum. 90 to 95% of the weightage should be given to the deen if it's a boy choosing a girl. If a girl is choosing a boy, then wealth may carry certain weight, because if the girl is used to having certain comfort in life, but naturally she cannot marry a boy who's living on the street. So if it's a girl marrying a boy, then the wealth may have certain weightage, maybe about 10% marks. The lineage maybe 1%, and the handsomeness of the boy, as long as he's not repulsive, but natural, because you want to live with the spouse for the full life, you should be satisfied. But mentally, if you make up a mind, if you really, it's all in your mind. Any girl can seem to be beautiful, it's in your mind. So the handsomeness or the beauty carries a smaller percentage. So for the man, the religion, I would say, would carry 90 to 95% marks. And for the woman, when she's looking for a spouse, maybe would carry approximately 85% marks, the religion, the deen, which is the most important. Anyway, this percentage is from my side, it is not from the hadith. The hadith is very clear that the most important is the religion, that's it. This is my percentage.